What's going on, peeps? So this here is going to be a really quick little video for you to show you how to redeem your tokens if and only if you registered on our Telegram bounty. All right, so this is for the Telegram bounty, not Bounty Hive. If you registered through Bounty Hive, you're going to have to do that on the actual Apple or Android Monarch wallet app. All right, again, this is solely for people that use the Telegram bounty. Okay, nobody else. Telegram bounty only. You have to remember your email address, and you have to remember the ETH address that you signed up for. If you lost those, you lose your chance at tokens. Also, if you try to game the system, if you basically refer to a whole bunch of fake accounts, you're not going to get paid. This is for people that played fair. You know, we can't reward people that tried to game the system because it's just going to end up hurting people that paid for tokens or actually earned them properly, right? So if you tried to game the system and you refer to a whole bunch of fake accounts, the gig's up. You've been caught. You're not going to get paid. It's that simple. So don't complain to us if you didn't get all the tokens you thought you were getting because you signed up 1,000 fake accounts. All right, it's just not going to happen. We don't care. We're here for the good people, not for the bad. So also, if you lost your email address or if you lost your Ether address that you originally signed up for, you don't have access to it. Again, there's nothing we can do for you. This was all handled third party, and this was a Telegram bounty company that we used. So if you don't have your Ether address and you don't have the email address that you signed up for initially, you're out of luck. Okay, so don't email us, don't hit us up. There's nothing we can do for you. It's out of our control. You have to remember the email address and the Ether address that you originally signed up for. Otherwise, you could just say, hey, I forgot my email, I forgot this, forgot that, and you could be stealing other people's money. So the bounty company isn't going to help you. You have to make sure that you have control of your email and Ether address that you originally signed up for, plain and simple. Again, and this here is plain and simple as well. So kind of here in the beginning, when you go to bounty.monarchwallet.com, again, it's bounty.monarchwallet.com, and this is only for people that use Telegram bounty, all right? Just for those peeps. It's not for Bounty Hive people, all right? So if you're here from Bounty Hive, go ahead and leave. You're just wasting your time with this video. But if you joined the Telegram, bounty, then watch the rest of this video. All right, so just go ahead and read the verbiage right here. And then this is the enter email address that you originally signed up with, all right? So I got a little fake test account right here. I'm just going to copy and paste for you. I don't have any tokens on it, but you'll get the idea. You will get the idea. So what you would do is you would put your email address and the Ether address that you originally registered with, all right? And then if you agree with the terms and conditions, go ahead and click proceed to next step. Here it says, hey, do you want to receive updates, news, special offers, all that kind of good stuff? If so, click yes. If not, click no. So a lot of people, they don't get updates, they don't get news, they don't understand that, sometimes tokens change chains, right? Sometimes you're holding a bunch of ERC20s and they have their own new blockchain now, and so those ERC20s are useless. This allows us to keep in contact with you and let you know of future updates, new services, new partners, all that kind of stuff. If you want to keep up on that stuff, click yes. If you don't care, click no. Doesn't matter. Everybody, we respect your rights. Your right to privacy, right not to be bothered, right not to get updates, whatever. It's all fine with us, guys and gals. Boom. That's simple. All right. So this account is fake. I don't have any tokens on it, but if I did, it would show right here that, my balance is 100 MT or whatever. So if I had tokens on here, it would show. All you do is you click done after you read all this stuff right here, and the tokens will go to the ETH address that is registered within the bounty here, all right? So if you remembered your email address and you remember the Ether address that you registered with in Telegram, everything will work just fine, just like this. Obviously, I didn't earn any tokens with that fake account, but again, you can see that everything works. Just click the little done button and it takes you over to our website and you can learn more if you want. So for everybody, remember, this is only for the Telegram bounty. For people that had the Bounty Hive bounty, make sure you use the app itself to claim your token swap. All right. Again, this is only for the Telegram bounty people. So hopefully this video helped. Love you. God bless you. Catch you on the next one.